I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You've installed PowerPoint and signed in. Now open the app and start a new presentation. Tap a template or blank file to create slides immediately. Once done, grant permissions if prompted so you can import photos and save to device. Make sure autosave is enabled when working with OneDrive, otherwise use Save As to secure changes. This initial step gets you into the editor where you'll add and arrange content quickly, so don't linger on settings. Begin creating your first slide now. You're in the editor. Add new slides with the plus button and choose a layout that fits your content. Tap any text box to type and use the formatting toolbar to change font size, color, or alignment so your slides read clearly on mobile screens. Once done, insert images or icons via Insert to support your points and resize with pinch gestures. Make sure to group or arrange layers if elements overlap, and preview by tapping Slideshow to confirm spacing and visual flow before final tweaks. You're at the finish line. Run the slideshow to confirm transitions and timings, and adjust settings under transitions for smoother movement. When ready, save to OneDrive or export as PDF or PPTX using the File menu so others can open your work. If syncing fails or slides don't update, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or update the app. If an export stalls, try a smaller file size or remove large media. These steps resolve most common mobile issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.